Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead. And okay, May wants to say hi.
Hi.
All right, today, I'm wearing my Struggleville shirt. It's one of the other YouTube channels I watch a lot. But today's gonna be a quick one. It's kind of a review, kind of a test out of this thing. It is a 12-inch, I think it's 3 or 4 inches round auger. It fits on your drill. It says it fits on the 1/4-inch drive. Drill drivers also. I got one of those. I got to test it on that later. But yeah, we're gonna go see, dig a couple holes. I got some concrete I need to put in the ground, and we'll see what this bad boy will do real quick. The area I'm gonna be digging is a place that got mulched, so it should be some soft ground. But you know, I'd still have to take a shovel over there or a bulb thing and dig it. Hoping this I can just a couple quick little zips in the ground, have a hole made, throw my concrete in there, cover it up, and be done with it. So let's go see how that works out. All right, that's where I'm going to start putting on my concrete after I have an order I ship out. Whatever doesn't ship. This is, you can't really tell that good, but this is a lot of wood chips I put down. It's like 3 or 4 inches worth. You can see threw some plants over here just to see how they go compared to some other spots. But all on this fence line is where I plan on putting the concrete. So I just chopped down all the weeds over here. And there's a couple that I put just like a week or so ago. And in this bucket I got some nice crowns and splits in there. And then I might throw some root cuttings in here. So we can see that, and yeah, just every few. So let's see what this thing does. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. Yeah, that went pretty easy. Like I said, this is mulch, but I mean, that's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna grab one of these cuttings and toss down in there real quick. All right, so the first two went real easy. Was a little kickback. Here's, you can see there's a lot more vegetation, so. Yeah, we're gonna go all the way down. Let's see. We're in a little bit more trouble. See there though, we are getting a hole. So, I'm guessing this would be more of a garden and yard tool. There we go though. Got another one. That's all we're gonna do over here. Got one other spot of some bare dirt, but it is kind of compacted. And for anybody that needs to know, something like this, I mean, literally you just stick it in the ground and we'll have a plant like that one in a week or two. So we'll just stick it down in here, push this back over it, and that's it. It's planted. So there's going to be 3 new concrete plants at least right there. And I'm going to go clean this off real quick, and we're going to do one more test spot and see how it works out. Alright, here's Mabel again. Say hi, Mabel.
Hi, Mabel.
What? No, not. Get out of the way, little girl. We got a spot of bare dirt here. It's compacted. It's nothing special. But I just kind of want to see how this thing's going to do on it. So, take it, put it down, start off slow. Well, that's what happened. There's a tree root right there. Let's move a little bit. Scoot back so we don't get your PJs dirty. Alright, it's a bad test here. There's a lot of tree roots here. But, I don't know. I like it. I'm going to test one more spot real quick. Let's check out this. We got a raised garden bed here. So this would be a spot probably more appropriate for something like this. Because, I mean, it's a lot. It's taking a lot of beating right now. feel like I'm gonna break my drill. No, I like this drill. So, yeah, see, that's what we're supposed to be using it for. That's not bad. You saw how I did in the mulch. It did really good in the mulch. I can imagine this thing would do really good if you tilled. So if you like tilled up your garden, you want to go through, just pulling that right out of the dirt, making your holes. Yeah, I think that drained this battery. Like I said, I did some off-camera stuff, and yeah, I really put a beating on that thing just now. Surprised it's not overheating. It's a little warm. So anyways, I think I paid 10-15 bucks for that thing. I think it's normally around 20 or 30, and it also came with a pair of gloves that has like little finger claws on it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna like it, especially areas that, like I said, have been heavily mulched. And I just need to dig a quick hole, throw a couple roots in there, or even like when I'm putting out these tomatoes and stuff, and actual work bed. So, alright, keep this as short as I can. Like, share, subscribe, and have a good day.